Samsung is developing a new mid-range Exynos chip, which might be used in the Galaxy A56 next year. This chip, known by its model number S5E8855, is codenamed Santa, as reported by Galaxy Club. The Galaxy A55, released in March this year, uses the Exynos 1480 chip, which is codenamed Rose and has the model number S5E8855. Based on Samsung's usual way of numbering their chips, the S5E8855 will probably be called the Exynos 1580. The new chip will probably first appear in the Galaxy A56 next year. However, aside from its model number and codename, Galaxy Club hasn't shared any other details about this chip. This is likely because there isn't any more information about the Exynos 1580 yet. The Galaxy A55 and its Exynos 1480 chip were only released 3 months ago. The Santa codename is interesting, but it doesn't tell us what the Exynos 1580 will be like. The Exynos 1480 is a great chip with big improvements, including the first mid-range AMD-powered GPU. However, we don't think Samsung will make big upgrades to their mid-range chip 2 years in a row. It would be great if Samsung focused on improving the Exynos 1480's Neural Processing Unit, NPU. This would let them bring Galaxy AI features to mid-range devices. This assumes that Samsung wants to do this. They might keep Galaxy AI features exclusive to flagship phones for another year or two to sell more of them. However, Samsung could surprise us, just like Santa surprises kids every year. We'll update you as soon as we get more information about the Exynos 1580 and the Galaxy A56, so stay tuned. If you need a new mid-range phone now, the Galaxy A55 is a great option. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video.